Hi, welcome to Hexus TV. We're here at the Gadget Show live in Birmingham. I'm here with James Dean, PR representative for CoolIT Systems. Hi, James.
Hi, Parm.
How are you?
Not bad at all, thank you very much. It's the first day, so everything's all bright and cheery at the moment.
Okay, the Gadget Show. We've said this to a few companies. It's quite strange to see such techie companies here.
You know what? It's really important that we show products to a mainstream now, because obviously with the IT products, they're getting more and more globally widespread. It might not be in the form of maybe buying the components yourself, but we're selling this product, for example, the Eco, into PC World Advent machines for the first time. Yeah. In fact, you can go to a PC World now and buy an pre-overclocked PC with an Eco inside it.
Okay, we've seen the Eco before.
Yeah, that's right.
You've got quite a few consumer products, but the origins of these products are usually something more extreme.
That's right.
Where do these usually start off?
Well, CoolIT, obviously, they're a thermal engineering company, and they've got a huge amount of technology behind them. And they've not just cooled PCs in the past, they cool all sorts of things. So we're actually demonstrating here something fairly new to the portfolio of industrial products. This is called the LC squared, so it's a bit of a Mickey take on LN squared.
Right, okay.
Liquid nitrogen. What we're using is tech coolers inside.
Yep.
So for the first time ever, obviously before we had CoolIT patented technology called M-Tech, or multiple techs.
Yeah.
What we've done is we put them in parallel. So for the first time now, we're sandwiching techs all together. So there's a total of 12 in here, running at a low wattage again, but actually extracting the heat from the water rather than directly from the heat source, such as a CPU. So we've got two loops. One loop is going into these dual 240 rads, and the other loop is going to this little unit here. And we'd expect this to get pretty much to zero.
Okay.
So it's pretty good stuff to show end users, how far this stuff goes.
Okay, so this really is the beginnings of a consumer product somewhere down the line. Where do you see CPU cooling going in the next 2 or 3 years?
I think water is obviously the key here. We're seeing that cooling devices, in PCs now, air ones are like massive. They're huge, and if you ship a PC around the country to be delivered to whoever buying it online, more often than not, the actual air cooler is damaging the motherboard, and that's just creating an issue for everyone. So with the Eco, for example, it's taking all the weight off the motherboard, so we've got no shipping issues at all, and the price performance is finally getting there.
Okay, you mentioned liquid cooling. One of your competitors at the moment has tried liquid metal. What do you think of the potential of that market?
It's an interesting one. What you're looking at doing is decreasing the thermal resistance between the heat source and extracting it. So it's whatever's works best. But then also you've got to remember about the price point. You need to keep that price point available to end users so it makes sense. Because if there's a lower cost product that does the same job, then obviously that will make more sense. So this is why we actually called the Eco, because it's economical in many respects.
Okay, CPU cooling seems to have come a long way, but today's market, the GPU seems to be the hottest component.
Yeah, absolutely.
Especially with recent launches.
You've just come about an hour too early, because we've got the Omni on display.
Okay.
And with Fermi just launched from NVIDIA, the GTX 480, obviously that's running pretty hot.
Yep.
We've just got the first Omni out to you guys, in fact, so watch out soon. Hexus exclusive worldwide.
Great, okay. We're also talking about the Omni. Are you expecting any partners to use your product with their cards?
We hope so, yes, absolutely. It makes a lot of sense to.
No names yet?
No names.
Okay, James, thanks a lot. That's Hexus TV. Stay tuned for more from the Gadget Show in Birmingham.